He had the sixth sense to know what to do and win it back. And a strong tackle. Well, the cross needed to be better than that one. He's gone for power, Lee, but it's wide.
Well, no real direction, but the power was there. And you're right, it's just gone past the post.
Here's PC. Hamsik now. It's with Alan. Mertens. I think he knew he was guilty of fouling. Free kick conceded. I think most fans would be pretty happy with this man's display so far.
Well, Derek, it certainly was a good 45 minutes from the lad. Obviously got the goal to give him the lead, but he's looked very, very lively as well.
Now, what can Liverpool do with this advantageous situation? That is how to apply the pressure. Malcuit. And a throw-in forthcoming. They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Here is Marco Asensio. Space and time for the cross. Excellent ball towards the front post. Not all that hard to deal with crosses like that. And here's Alan. Mertens. Callejon. Half an hour remaining then. PC. And PC. Prepared to take on the shot. And a wild, wild attempt from long range. Not one for his highlight reel.
Well, it's a poor choice. He's got other options on. Why is he shooting from that distance?
Oh, goodness, he was right on top of the situation to get the ball back for his team. And here's Alan. Mario Rui. Well, he's given it away. And here is Alan. Will they get themselves level here? And a goal!
Here's the replay, and I can see why the keeper's a little frustrated. He thought he got enough on that to keep it out, but it's just come past him and he's unlucky, really.
So, a level contest, 1-1. And here's Alan. Given away by Napoli. And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here. Kevin Malcuit. Xherdan Shaqiri has it. So 20 minutes to go. And Mohamed Salah now. Others to play it to. And he favours the inside route. Salah takes it on. Goalkeepers have to be mindful that long shots like that can come in.
Yeah, I always look at goalies and say, do your job, keep the ball out the net. Good job he didn't let that one in.
Read it superbly to take back possession. It's with Alan. Here's Insigne. So a throw in here. And they have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. It's with Raúl Albiol. Mertens. And Dries Mertens. Marco Asensio to feed it through. I must say, no shortage of space. And it's played into the centre. The cross played over. And work to do defensively. Fabian. Mario Rui. Here's Insigne. The tackle crisp and accurate. It's with Fabinho. And as a defender, you really had the door, as he did then. Liverpool continue to advance. He's gone for power lead, but it's wide.
Well, no real direction, but the power was there. And you're right, it's just gone past the post.
Now, Robin. This is why we adore this game. Late drama, and now they're in front.
Well, it looks like the game is over, but no, there's another chance. And there it is, back of the net. It looks like the winner. Well, here's the replay. I always tell young defenders to stop the cross, and this is why. When the ball comes in, it's perfect. And the ball ends up in the back of the net. Great header.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. The referee's verdict is 3 additional minutes. Late in the game, Napoli with work to do. Who's to say what happens next? Danny Williams. It's with Verdi. So, the full-time whistle, and another 3 points in the bag to add to the total from match day 1. You've got to conclude, Lee, that they're in a superb position.